Hi guys, so we decided to have lunch before grocery shopping because we were starving. And we got this ingredients for our lumpia for dinner. And after we picked up the ingredients, we went to Best Buy. We were just supposed to window shopping lang, but nabudol niya ako. So, I got her first Lego. And since it was still bright outside, we decided to stop at Starbucks to get some drink and also to open her toy because we were both very excited. I was also curious what's inside. So upon checking, the barista came over and told us they were gonna close in 5 minutes because usually every weekend they close at 7. So I didn't notice it was already 7 because yeah, it's still sunny. So after checking the toys, we decided to just pack our stuff and go home and just continue playing at home. So we walked home, and when we arrived at home, she immediately opened her toys and I helped her unpack. So for me, it's also my first time to see what's inside, and I just checked the manual and I helped her how to assemble and guided her. I'm so glad na nag-i-enjoy siya and she's really paying attention, and hopefully soon malaman niya na, or she will know how to follow the manual or how to make her own design. In this clip, she's kind of frustrated. Super interesting ng toys na to kasi you can make a lot of designs and it comes with a manual, or it shows a lot of different designs na pwedeng gayahin. And it's perfect for 2 years old, or I think 2.5 kasi ang size hindi masyadong maliit, hindi masyado delikado, but you still have to check them. And also, it still needs, I think, adult supervision.